Need computer repairs in Bonita Springs? Get fast and reliable on-site service today. Whether at home or the office, we bring expert solutions right to your doorstep. Our professional technicians come to you, ensuring convenience and efficiency. We offer same-day or next-day service, so you won't have to wait long to get back to work. Our services include virus and malware removal, hardware repairs and upgrades, data recovery and backup, network troubleshooting, and software installation and updates. We handle all your computer needs with expertise. Choose us for reliable and affordable repairs with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Our professional technicians are trusted by the Bonita Springs community, guaranteeing customer satisfaction every time. Enjoy quality service at prices you can trust. We serve Bonita Springs and nearby areas, providing convenient, on-site computer repair for both homes and offices. Don't let computer issues slow you down. Call 239-387-9900 for a free, no-obligation quote today. Visit Bonita Springs Mobile Computer Repa here. Come for more information. Your reliable solution for all computer problems is just one call away. Contact us now for fast service.